Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The overhead door battery backup, powered by interstate batteries, provides reliable garage door operation in the event of electricity outages. It is compatible with overhead door Destiny and Odyssey garage door openers, which combine reliability, speed and power, all with quiet operation.
Make your mark, take our lead.
1 to 2 years. Enclosed within the garage door opener, the battery can usually last 1 to 2 years, depending on usage and with proper battery care. When alerted by the battery status LED that the battery needs replacing, it's easy to do and only takes a few minutes.
Take our lead.
Just like any rechargeable battery, the battery in your Chamberlain or LiftMaster door opener is integrated with the housing of the motor or installed near it. Every battery holds enough juice to open and close the garage door 20 times or more. Recharging takes only 4.5 hours.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.